What's going on, guys? We're going to talk about how to drive a car. I'm a state certified driving instructor. Put on your seatbelt. Frame the rear window in the mirror. We want to look straight ahead. The side mirror, there's a keypad adjustment. You want to look straight ahead. Now, the passenger side mirror, you want to bring it out and you want to see a little bit of the side of the car. We're going to be going on a major thoroughfare, going on some major roads, and then end up in neighborhoods. Turn on your left turn signal. We want to put it in drive. We look over our shoulder. We gently accelerate off. Learning how to drive can be a challenge. You want to make sure you have a good instructor, good coach, good teacher, one who's going to be passionate, who's going to be patient with you, having a good sense of humor, and who will really explain things thoroughly. You're watching this because you're a beginner, or maybe you're an experienced driver, and that's 10 years